Hello, welcome to Math with Mr. Dobrescu, to the rescue. Let's continue with end of the year assessment review, question 15. Select all the expressions that have the same value as -8. So let's select all the expressions that have the same values as -8. The best way to do this problem is to solve each of these problems in the multiple choice answers and see if we get -8. Let's do the first one here. We have -2 plus 6. And if we solve these, remember, opposite sign subtract, take the sign of the larger number, then will be exact. So opposite sign subtract, 6 minus 2 is 4. And since 6 is the larger number, the answer is 4. So -2 plus 6 equals 4. And that's not the answer because it's not -8. So A cannot be the answer. Let's continue again with B. Remember also the song. Opposite sign subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, then will be exact. The same thing. Opposite sign subtract. So let's subtract 3 from 5. So we get 5 minus 3 is 2. And again, the larger number is 5. And 5 is positive. So the final answer is 2. And 2 is also different than -8. So B cannot be the answer. Let's continue with C now. So again, here we have -4 plus -4. Here we are adding two negatives. So in the answer, we are still going to have a negative. And now we are adding -4 and another -4. So -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And another 1, 2, 3, 4. And all together here, we have -8. So -8 matches the -8 in the problem. So C is one of the answers. Okay, let's continue with D. The same thing here. Opposite sign subtract. So let's subtract 14 minus 6 is 8, right? And then we take the sign of the larger number. So the answer is -8, which also matches the problem. So D is also one of the answers. Let's continue with D now. Opposite sign subtract. 8 plus -8. In that case, we get 0, right? 0, and E cannot be the answer. And finally, if we take away 3 from 11, we get +8, right? Opposite sign subtract, and the larger number is 11, which is positive. So we get 8, and it's not -8, and F cannot be the answer. So the only answers for these problems are C and D. Okay, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. And please stay tuned for question number 16. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the best to you.